The required tools for this install are an 8mm socket, a 10mm socket, and a ratchet. Disconnect the negative battery cable. Remove the 3 10mm screws holding the headlight assembly in place. Remove the turn signal bulb, side marker bulb, and the headlight bulb from the headlight assembly. Insert the turn signal bulb, the side marker bulb, and the headlight bulb into the Axial headlight assembly. Take the wiring for the Axial LED running lights and splice them into the running light circuit with vampire clamps. Install the new Axial headlights onto the vehicle. Secure with the previously removed 10mm screws. Reconnect the negative battery cable.